Good morning, students. Class 12. Today here we describe about two things. First one is the chromosomal theory of inheritance, and second one was linkage and recombination. All three topics are very important and very interesting if you take interest on that. Okay. So here we start with the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Beta, soon after the rediscovery of Mendel laws in 1900, Walter S. Sutton. Walter S. Sutton, he is an American graduate student, and Theodore Boveri, who is a German biologist in 1903, have independently observed a parallelism between the behavior of chromosome and Mendelian character. They noticed several similarities between the two. Like if you talk about the comparison between the behavior of chromosome and Mendelian factor that we call gene now, are like first chromosome occur in pair like the alleles of Mendelian factor, which one is known as genes. Second one is the homologous chromosome separate during meiosis like the pair of similar or dissimilar alleles of Mendelian factor separate at the time of gamete formation. Third one is like a different chromosome orient and separate independently during meiosis like Mendelian factor. Fourth one is the pair condition of both chromosome and Mendelian factor is restored during fertilization. Okay, so these similarities led Sutton and Boveri to postulate the chromosomal theory of inheritance. This theory states that the Mendelian factor, which one means the term genes which we know which is present on chromosome, Mendelian first called that factor. So Mendelian gene, Mendelian factor or gene are located on chromosome as we know, and it is the chromosome that segregate and assort independently during mitotic cell division. Means a simplified version of the chromosomal theory is presented like taking only two pair of chromosome and an equal number of genes. The figure means movement of alleles of two genes is located on different chromosomes during the dihybrid cross of round yellow and wrinkle green PC varieties, and the duplication and paired homologous chromosome assemble at the metaphase stage of meiosis first can separate in two possible ways. So, in similar way that the chromosomal theory of inheritance was proposed by Walter Sutton and Theodore Boveri in 1902. They started that behavior of chromosome was parallel to behavior of genes and used chromosome movement to explain Mendel laws. According to this theory, first, heredity factor are carried in the nucleus. Second one is like the Mendelian allele, chromosome are also found in pair. Third one is like the sperm, an egg having haploid set of chromosomes fused to re-establish the diploid state, and the two alleles of gene pair are located on homologous site on homologous chromosome in a linear order. As there are two chromosomes of each kind in somatic diploid cell, there must be two genes of each kind and one of each of the two homologous chromosomes. So, this is about the chromosomal theory of inheritance, a very important topic. Second one, we go with the linkage and recombination. Okay, so Sutton and Boveri means commenting on the chromosome theory of inheritance indicate that the number of genes in an organism is much larger than the number of pairs of chromosome. Means each chromosome pair should contain several genes. This means that during meiosis chromosomes move as a unit and all the genes of chromosome go together and not to assort independently as expected according to Mendel law of independent assortment. So only the genes located on different chromosome pair assort independently. This also implies that genes situated on the same chromosomes should be transformed and blocked from one generation to another, and they do not assort independently. The group of genes which behave as a unit is said to be linked, and the phenomena is called linkage. All the genes on a pair homologous chromosome collectively form a group known as linkage group. Okay, so T.H. Morgan carried out several dihybrid crosses in Drosophila. This is a picture in your NCRT also. Please take a picture and try to understand it. This is a picture of dihybrid cross of Drosophila. Means it will be done by it was done by Morgan uh, in Drosophila to study the genes that are sex linked. He observed that when the two genes in a dihybrid cross are located on the same chromosome, the proportion of parallel gene combination in the progeny was much higher than the non-parallel or recombination gene. And there is lots of reason for selecting Drosophila melanogaster for the experiment of these by Morgan is that we just like we study that why Mendel chose pea plant. At same here, there is some reason why Morgan chose Drosophila melanogaster. So first one reason is that they could be grown on simple synthetic medium in the laboratory. Second one is they complete their life cycle in 2 weeks. Third one is a single mating could produce a large number of progeny. Fourth one is there was clear differentiation of the sexes, male and female fly are easily distinguishable. And fifth one, it has many type of heredity variation that can be seen in a low proper microscope. Morgan and his group found that when genes are grouped on the same chromosome, some genes are tightly linked or associated as the show little recombination, and in F2 generation ratio divided from 9331. So when the genes are loosely linked, they show higher percentage of recombination. And Morgan hybridized yellow bodies and white eyed females with brown body and red eyed male with means wild type across A and intercross their F1 progeny. After that, determined that gene of Drosophila are arranged in a linear order. He measured the distance between the genes and prepared chromosome map with the position of gene on the chromosome based on percentage of recombination. These are also called genetic maps. There are possibilities to come these type of question like genetic map question in your exam also. Okay, so clearly means that in chromosome though two genes which are located and in same chromosome and very tightly packed that show linkage. If they loosely packed, they show recombination. So this is main difference between linkage and recombination. You have to be know or understand linkage and recombination by this result two dihybrid cross of done by Mendel or Morgan in Drosophila. Okay. So after that next lecture we also describe there about chromosomal map and genetic map. Also some important topic like sex determination mechanism, means how we detect that these type of sex of male and female of bird or male or female of grasshopper. All these kind of things will be happening in next lecture. Okay, thank you.